County in southern Delaware, central Kent County in central Delaware, southeastern Caroline County in eastern Maryland, until 4 p.m. At 3:21 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Dover Speedway to near Milford to Smithville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Dover, Milford, Harrington, Camden, Lewis, Milton, Bridgeville, Cheswold, Ellendale, Bowers, Woodside, Smithville, Rising Sunshine Lebanon, Agner, Dover Base Housing, Dover Speedway, Andrewsville, Rising Sunshine, Big Stone Beach, and Wyoming. People at the Delaware State Fair should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Sussex, and Caroline, Maryland. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay.